Review of the Eufy Security Battery Video Doorbell C210 Kit. The Eufy Security Battery Video Doorbell C210 Kit is a compelling option for homeowners seeking an affordable, feature-packed video doorbell. It strikes a balance between functionality and simplicity, making it a popular choice in the smart home market. Here's a detailed look at its strengths and limitations to help you decide if it's the right fit for your home security needs. The C210 delivers 2K resolution video, ensuring crisp and clear visuals. This high-quality footage allows users to identify visitors easily, even from a distance. The HDR feature is particularly beneficial for areas with uneven lighting, ensuring clear visibility whether it's bright or shaded. Thanks to its rechargeable battery, the C210 can be installed without needing existing doorbell wiring. This makes it an excellent choice for renters or homes without pre-installed wiring. The setup process is straightforward, and the included mounting hardware makes installation user-friendly. Unlike many competitors, the Eufy C210 provides local storage through its home base, avoiding the need for monthly subscription fees. This makes it a cost-effective solution over time, appealing to users who prioritize privacy and affordability. While the battery life is advertised to last several months, high traffic areas where the doorbell frequently detects motion can drain the battery faster. This may require users to recharge it more often, which could be inconvenient for some. Compared to premium video doorbells, the C210 lacks some advanced features like package detection or AI-enhanced facial recognition. While it offers essential motion detection and activity zones, those looking for highly sophisticated capabilities might feel limited. The C210 requires the Eufy home base for functionality, which could be a downside for users looking for a standalone solution. Losing or damaging the home base may render the system inoperable, adding to potential replacement costs. The Eufy Security Battery Video Doorbell C210 Kit is a solid mid-tier option for consumers who value high-resolution video, wire-free convenience, and no subscription fees. It's particularly well suited for users who prefer straightforward operation without extensive ongoing costs. However, those needing advanced smart features or extended battery life in busy areas might want to explore higher-end alternatives. For its price point, the C210 delivers excellent value, making it an attractive choice for budget-conscious buyers looking to enhance their home security.